Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we will learn how we can make our materials look better and sometimes realistic as well in certain cases. So we have our materials in Unity, and you can see that our vehicles are good, but we can improve the textures a little bit more as well. So if you see these materials, you can see that this is Suzuki material, and which look good, which look better, but we can make it more better, and this one as well. So let's start with maybe this Suzuki. Okay, so maybe because I have just extracted these materials of Suzuki already, so we will just move further for this truck. Okay, and for time I will just hide the truck too, and the Suzuki as well. Okay, so now we have this truck model Isuzu, and we want to improve the textures. Okay, so now in this case you can see that we have already there we have the textures for our truck model, and you can see these base textures, and we can actually make these textures better. So for that purpose, for example, if we select this body, you can see that here is our texture, and in textures you can see some other fields like metallicness, normal map, height map, occlusion, etc. So if we have these type of maps, we can use these maps to improve our main texture. Okay, so for creating these type of maps, we have a software called Materialize, which is free software, and you can download it from online. And after downloading it, you will find this type of UI. And here, first of all, the diffuse map is actually the base map, so we will get the base image. So let's start with selecting the base image. So we'll click here, and we will just go to our project, and we have assets, we have Waqas, Khalid, Pakistani trucks, models, and then we have this model 1 and textures, and here you can see that we have all textures. So we have truck main body, so we can select truck main body texture here, and now we will just create we will click on this height map, create, set as a height map, create, set as normal map, create, set as metallic map. So we have created 3 maps. Okay, and then we can just go to save project, and we can save it anywhere. So I just have created a section here, folder here, and I have just extracted the Suzuki textures already, and here I will create a new folder, and we will just name it truck 1 textures, like this, and then we can just confirm the textures. So in truck 1 textures, we will just rename this texture. So this is the main body texture. Okay, and we will just select it, and it will save the texture. And here you can see we have file formats. If you want to save it BMP, JPG, PNG, TGA, TIFF, you can save it in any format. I just choose the PNG. Okay, so in this way we have saved this main body texture. Similarly, we will create other textures as well, and for that purpose we will just select the O, and we will choose our texture, and we will generate the maps as well. So after creating maps, we will move further. Okay, so now we have extracted these materials. As you can see, these materials here, and now we will just use these materials. So this is truck 1 textures. We will just copy this, or we can actually just drag drop this in truck 1 textures. You can see this is the Pakistani truck model textures. These are the base textures, and we can just I will just add this here, another folder just for the other maps, and we can actually delete these textures, or we can delete the inside base textures. Okay, so let's do that. So here now you can see that we have this texture. So here is the base body, and here is the base body for dashboard, front body, okay, like this. So we are selecting the main textures because we don't need main textures, we already have main textures outside. And the okay, I'm confused with this, so we'll just delete these one, and now we will just add our texture. So now you can see that this is our, if we select this, this is track 1 textures, and we have this body. So now we have this map here. So if we want to change the texture, you can see that we have where is the main body texture. So here it is, okay, main body texture. So this texture is actually the, I think, which is this texture is height map, and then metallic, and then normal map. Okay, so we'll select it, and we will move here, and in metallic map we will in normal map we will add a normal map. In metallic map we will add metallic map, and in height map we will add height map, like this. And now you can see the result, okay, and it's totally changed and it's more realistic. If we move here, you can see it look very clean and very realistic, okay, as compared to the old textures. Okay, although you can see this result is not very nice, and that is due to smoothness of metallic. Okay, we can increase the metallicness, or we can decrease the metallicness map. We can also decrease or increase the height map. Okay, and I think sometimes we have normal map. If we press 0, it will give us the bad result, and if we press, we will just increase it to something like 1 is better. And fix now the texture normal as the normal map. So yeah, here for the normal map we can increase it to get something better. Okay, I think it will be at 1, and height map we will just keep it here, maybe to something like 0.02. Although you can see this texture is disturbed now, but for some maps you can see this this is very nice result. If we select metallic, for example, and if we select none, you can see it will solve the issue of this clearness. Okay, and if we add the metallicness, you can see that we still can add the metallicness without map, but yeah, and it solved the issue, I think so. So this is the metallicness. If we add this, you can see that source is metallic alpha, and if we change it to albedo alpha, and then if we make the smoothness little bit here, it will give us some better result, I think so, but it's still not clear. So I think we can delete this metallic map. Okay, no need for adding the metallic map, and with normal and height map we can get some better results. Okay, so we will do this process for the other parts of the vehicle. So for example, this one, which is the front body, and if we select the main front body, here you can see metallic and other things, and for the front body you can see this is the normal map, and this will be the metallic map, and this is the height map. And where is the normal map? This one is the normal map. Okay, and we can fix it, and now you can see the totally change result here, but definitely metallicness is not working good for our maps. So we can select the metallic map, and I will just make it none. Okay, so we'll not use the metallic maps, although we will use the normal and height maps, which will give us some better result. Okay, so in this way we will add, you can see the texture is a little bit changed now as compared to door texture. So when we will select the door, and we will apply the similar things to the door texture as well. So we will not add metallic map, we will only add normal and height maps. So door texture, where is the door texture? Yeah, this one. So this is the door height map, and this is the door normal map. Okay, and now you can see very better result as compared to the last result, although we can increase the height maps and it will give us some different results. You can see here. Okay, so also it's up to you that what you can do with this. And for the normal maps, we can actually change the values as well. Okay, so if we increase the values, you can see the result here, and if we decrease the value, you can see the result here, and that's better. So for any part, for every part, we will do the same. And here, for example, you can see this section, which is the brushed iron section, and for this you can see the map is not very nice. So we can go here and we can add this height map, and also the normal map like this, and we can fix it. And if we add metallic map as well, you can see the difference. Okay, and for metallic map, we will decrease the smoothness to something like this. And but I think metallic is not working very nice for our result. You can see very darkness here, so I think we should, yeah, here you can see we can get some better result as well. So I think here we are fine, or actually we can just delete this metallicness here, and we can add metallicness manually little bit. Okay, 0.4 maybe, so like this. So it will take some time, and we will fix all the textures. Okay, so now I have just added the texture, and you can see the difference between these textures. So you can see the Suzuki texture, you can see that it's not very realistic. Okay, and also if you see this truck, you can see this is also not very much realistic. But if you see this truck, which we have changed the textures, you can see the textures depth is quite good as compared to other two trucks. And here you can see that we have this type of metallicness, and if we zoom in, you will see that the result is quite better. Okay, and quite realistic as compared to these trucks. So this is the way to improve your textures, and definitely you can play with your own settings. It's not important to follow the settings as I did. You can play with tiling, offsets, you can use UV1, UV0, etc., normal maps, detailed maps. You can add the secondary maps as well, and there are a lot of things you can improve with your textures. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you understand the that how we can improve the textures, and I will just improve little bit in these textures as well, and then we will move further in some next video.